Welcome student, I am Sandeep Kumar from Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we will discuss about our topic 3, bus organization of unit 2. What is the bus? Bus is the parallel conducting lines to transfer the data. As we can see in the figure, 8085 microprocessor have A0 to A15 at the top. There are address bus, and D0 to D7 are data bus, and there are some control bus also connected to it. The address bus is unidirectional, it means it come only output side, and data bus is bidirectional, it have arrow on both direction. It means data can come to the 8085 and data can transmit through 8085. And control bus is also unidirectional signal. It is from microprocessor to memory, microprocessor to input device, microprocessor to output device. Okay. Bus is a group of conducting lines used to carry the data during communication of microprocessor with peripheral device and memory. It carries digital information only. Three type of bus used in microprocessor or microcontroller: address bus, data bus, and control bus. Address bus carries address only. Address bus is a unidirectional signal because data flow in one direction. Because we have address, it means microprocessor have address the peripheral, never any peripheral address microprocessor. From microprocessor to memory, from microprocessor to input output device, address bus is unidirectional. इसका मतलब यह है कि एड्रेस माइक्रो हमेशा किसी मेमोरी या किसी इनपुट आउटपुट को एड्रेस देता है, ठीक है, इसलिए एड्रेस बस यूनिडायरेक्शनल है. 8085 हैव 16 बिट साइज ऑफ एड्रेस बस A0 to A15, and size of address bus used to calculate the memory interface, maximum memory interface. 2 raised to power n is equal to total memory. N is here 2 raised to power n is equal to t, where n is number of buses and t is total memory. So maximum memory can interface to the microprocessor is calculated by address bus of 8085 microprocessor. Data bus, it carries data only. Data bus is bidirectional because data flow in both direction. हम माइक्रोप्रोसेसर से डेटा लेते भी हैं और सेंड भी करते हैं, भेजते भी हैं. सो इट इज़ bidirectional from microprocessor to memory or memory to microprocessor, from microprocessor to input output or input output to microprocessor. So data bus is bidirectional. 8085 have 8-bit data bus. It means at a time 8-bit data can transfer from one place to another. Size of bus show how much bit transfer rate. It means जो हमारी साइज़ है डेटा बस की, उतना ही डाटा एट ए टाइम हम भेज सकते हैं. Control bus, these are control signal to perform specific function. For example, read, write. If we want to read the data from any memory or any register, we give the read command. If we want to store the data, we give write command. If we want to read or write from memory, I/m bar will be 0, and if we give address or command to input output device, I/m bar will be 1. These are control signal. Thank you.